Hi everybody, this is Anthony Donald Rex, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from St. Joseph College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see data communication network. Let's see. Data communication network. Before we move on to data communication network, first we know what is network. Network is a large distributed system which was designed to transfer information one device to another device is called as network. What is computer network? Computer network is nothing but it's same as a network with computer. That means each and every individual autonomous computer interconnect with a single technology is called as computer network. Let's we move data communication network, which means how data communicate with the network is data communication network. There are four fundamental characteristics in data communication network. They are delivery, accuracy, timeless, jitter. Delivery, which means the system must deliver data to the correct destination. Data must be received by the intended devices or a user. That is a delivery. Accuracy, the system must deliver the data accurately, which means the sender data sends the data without any loss. We can send the data is accuracy 1. And then timeless. The timeless is the system must deliver data in a timely manner. And then last one is a jitter. Jitter is refers that variation in the packet arrival time, which means the packet means it is a data. There are various formats of data: number, text, audio, video. Likewise, that is a jitter type. These are all the four types is fundamental characters of data communication network. Let's see the components of data communication network. There are 5 components. They are message, sender, receiver, transmission medium, protocol. Message, we all know that is a data or packets sent by sender. Receiver is going to receive the message. Transmission medium, that is the medium how the sender transmit that message to receiver, how the receiver get that message from sender. It's a transmission medium. And last one is a protocol. Protocol is a rule. It have the agreement with the data communication between the two devices. This is the components of data communication network. Our next topic is line configuration. Line configuration means how the line configure between two devices which was connected through links. Links means it is a physical communication pathway that transfer data from one device to another device. In data communication network, line configuration have been possible in two ways. One is a point-to-point line configuration, another one is a multi-point configuration. Point-to-point line configuration. A point-to-point connection provides a dedicated link between two devices. The entire capacity of the link is received from transmission between those two devices is called as point-to-point line configuration. For example, the satellite links and the television remote control, they're all the example for point-to-point line configuration. Here the picture says there are two workstations. Within the two workstation they have only one link. Within the two devices have the point-to-point connection. That is point-to-point line configuration. Next, multi-point line configuration. Multi-point line configuration means two or more devices share the single link is called as multi-point line configuration. It also called as multi-drop. The which says the only one mainframe. It has the link with 3 workstations. They share the single link. It is a multi-point line configuration, for example television cable. The next topic is transmission mode. The transmission mode is used to define the direction of signal flow between two linked devices. There are 3 types of transmission mode. One is simplex, another one is a half duplex, another one is a full duplex. Simplex is a unidirectional link between two devices. One device is act as a sender, another device is act as a receiver. That is a simplex transmission mode. For example, television, radio is the example for simplex transmission mode. And next is a half duplex. It is a bidirectional transmission mode between two devices. Example for that is walkie-talkie. But at a time only one device can act, which means if one device is going to send means another device is receive the data, after that device going to send the data. Example for that is walkie-talkie. Another one is the full duplex. It also be a bidirectional transmission mode, but at a time both devices can act. Example for that is mobile phone. This is the transmission mode in data communication network. Thank you one and all.